everyone. Since we are working Power BI project since last video and we'll continue that project. And till last class we completed get data, clean data and append queries. Today we are going to do create visualization. Let's get started. We'll see how to do visualization, means how to add visualization. First go to Power BI desktop. Here you can see till last class what we done, and this is the table view. Here you can see all table has been appended. Go to report view. Here we need to do visualization, and here you can see visualization option, and this is all default visualization. We are going to use all this visualization. If you want, here our next class will discuss how to add a custom visualization, how it will work. Today we'll work create visualization. Fourth step. First one is a insert a table. So I'm going to insert table. This is the table map. I'm going to select this, and this is how table looks like. And in table they requested country region, country and population. So I'm going to add region, country and population. This is, where is population, yes, population. This is the final region, country, population. Yes, as per this alignment we need to add region, country, population. And here you can see one column, right? This is the fillings for this particular table, means particular visualization. We have to fill this fillings, and just you can drag and drop from our table. Information will add to our visualization, and final visualization look like this. We need to do some makeup for this, and for that we have a format, not this one. Make sure to select your visualization. Yeah, it has been selected now, and select format visualization. This is build visualization, and here you can see one more option called format visualization. In this again you can see visualization and general, two options. Using this one we have to edit the table, and here you can see style presence. I'm not going to use all these options. When you will get time, please use the all options, and please note that what and all changes will happen to table. I'm going to change style presence. I'm not going to change, and specific column, no. Central alignment I'm going to change, not this one. Values and background color, if you want you can able to change. Yes, and make sure to your what color you are going to choose. It looks like very light. We should not use any dark color for our all visualization, all project. Client will not appreciate for your dark color project and jigamiga and all. We are not expecting. Your visualization will be simple way and more understanding. I'm going to change column header, and I'm going to change alignment, and I'm going to change a color, and you can see more color option. Here you can additional colors we can add. Yes, it looks better. And again I'm going to change total color, background color. Yes, it looks better. And again you can able to change general option. In this effects I'm going to add border and shadows. Yes, it looks better, right? Just adjust as per your table. Yes, yeah, it looks better. If you want you can able to um, if you want you can add table name. This is America information, right? So I'm going to change America. Excuse me. America information. I'm going to add name. And for this, we'll do some changes. Title, alignment will be middle, and background color you can able to change. You can change. Oh no, all color looks similar, right? So I don't want to add this. Yeah, this looks better. And this is the final touch for table, and means final look. Adjust. And second one is a map, right? Yeah, aerial map. This is the map. I'm going to use this one, this map. And here you can see different fillings. As per your visualization will get fillings, and our going forward class will discuss scenario based visualization, which scenario, which visualization you need to add. And we have 35 plus default visualization and almost 200 plus customized visualization. We'll work on it. And for this we need to add like a country and population. I'm going to add country and population. Map and filling field map visualization has been disabled. I'm getting this error, so we need to change the settings. Go to option and settings. Here options and global security. Here global security. Yeah, this one we need to enable. Select OK. Now we can able to use information. Again country and population. Yes, this is how map looks like. Adjust as per and to go to again format information. Here you can see map settings. In this style you can make changes. Control you can make changes. Bubbles if you want you can add, and lasso button. Yeah, and bubbles if you want you can able to add colors. You can make changes, and I'm not going to add. I'm going to select category, and in general settings title it's already make it to middle and change color. Yeah, it's better, looks better, right? And subtitle if you want you can add. I'm not going to add any subtitle. Effect if you want you can able to change visual border, again shadow, and background color if you want you can able to make changes. I don't want to do all this option. Okay, it looks better now. And here you can able to adjust zoom or zoom out. Okay, here you can see South America and North America, North America, and Central America. South America, North America, where is Central America? Okay, it will be middle, and and this is one more rectangle. If you want, you can able to use this option, and we'll see next visualization. Insert a slicer. I'm going to insert a slicer now, and this is the slicer, and we are going to add region to this field. Yes, done. Just, yeah, again I'm going to use slicer settings, means visual format. Here if you want, you can able to change like a tile option or drop down option or vertical. I'm going to keep vertical list. I don't want to choose any other options. And selection, if you want, you can able to make changes. And header has been, and border not required. Background color I'm going to change. Yes, and alignment I want to change. And values color, if you want, you can able to change background color, or where is alignment option. Title, if you want, you can able to add, and this one. Please, you need to work on the all option, use all option, and notice what and all changes will happen. I'm not going to use all options. Okay, let it be. Yes, this is the slicer, and if you want, you can able to select Central America, and here all information will get changed. In other visualizations, you can able to see all information selected for Central America, and uncheck this, and you can able, if you want, you can able to select North America, and this map information also will get change, and same way table also information will get changed. And again, if you want, you can able to select South America, and particularly which country you want, you can able to select. And this is the final looks for our project. And if you want, you can able to make changes, other colors also you can able to use. And this background color, you can able to add logo or any other image also you can use. And here you can able to see filter option downside, and all the visualization you can able to see. You can see other options also here, more options. You, if you want, you can able to use all options. And this is the final report, guys. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask, and next class we'll discuss next topic. Thank you. For more information, please follow my page.